Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I am getting into my 2020 A5 Hobonichi Cousin Avec, and I am going to decorate February so that I feel a little less stressed about the beginning of next year. You can see I added some tabs, so I was giving you a little peek of those. So let's get ourselves organized. Those tabs you see on the top, I ordered from, I thought they were really cute. There's a little munchkin on them. Well, I lose track. Munchkin, emoji, who has what? I don't know. But they have a little person on them, and they're really cute, and they're kind of like a bluey purple watercolory thing. And I just liked them. So I got them and I put them on repositionable tabs so that I could move them around. And I will show you guys another time probably how I do that. Super easy. And then I just cut down a few other little ones to put on my things in the back of my cousin. You guys were wondering where I was doing all of those other spreads. There's some notes pages in the back of each one. And that's where I was putting all of those other trackers. But I am filling out February today because I just woke up really anxious this morning for some reason. I think it's just because a lot of things happen starting in January. It's like the beginning of cookie season, and then I handle cookies for my Girl Scouts, my daughter's brownie troop. So it's a really busy time this spring, and just getting that organized. And then one of my husband's staff members is having a knee replacement, so I'm going to have to fill in at his office quite a few times, I believe. And then just regular work and kids and life stuff. So I was just feeling a bit overwhelmed, so I thought if I pre-plan and get things in my calendar, maybe I won't feel so stressed. So that's what I'm trying to do today. We'll see if it works. So you've heard the drill. I bought these 2 pages of the monthly Erin Condren kits from Shine Sticker Studio. They were on the clearance. And then I just bought whatever had the top washi with the month, and then whatever had the decoration boxes. And then, so whatever came with those is what I decided to order. And I think they came out to be like $1.50 a sheet or something like that. So I ordered the first, I think, 6 months of the year to put in my months for next year. And even though they're sized for Erin Condren, I'm having so much fun with them in this Hobonichi A5. They've been so fun. They take a little bit of trimming and some creativity, but yeah, they're so cute. And you guys know how much I love Star and Luna. I'm unhealthily obsessed. Unhealthily. So I think we can all agree on that. So the February, I cut apart the days of the week from the February banner, and then cut up the days of the week and stick them on the top there. And then I put the decoration strips on, here, the beginning of the month, because the Saturday, February 1st was at the end of the week, so I had all those boxes free that I put down, just more decoration. And that is my favorite part of these kits. So obviously I wanted to try and use as much as possible. And with those top washi sheets, you get the holidays usually. So I put in President's Day, Valentine's Day, and I think I put in Groundhog Day. Yeah. Not something I really typically need to know the date of, but hey, it's fun. Cute sticker. So I'm going to use it. And then I, put in a little, one of the deco stickers, end up pulling that up because I remembered that I got the kind of like monthly seasonal decoration sticker pack that Shine Sticker Studio has at Michael's. It looks on the front like it's just summer stickers, but look through it and it is a whole bunch of the different holidays and seasons, and you will want to buy 10 of them because I wanted to buy 10 of them when I realized what it was. And so I also was adding that decoration at the end to all of these spreads. So One way I make this work is by cutting up those this month and next month little banners, and then all of the flags that say pay bill or bill due or whatever, I usually cut the flag off of the bill due ones because I don't use those. And then I make them just to make my lists a little bit more decorative, so I use them in that capacity, and I think they're cute like that. I will save probably some of the like important and remember stuff like that, but otherwise I just try and use them for like this month, next month, and notes. And those are important for February because that's when the cookie sales start. So I'll have, calls to make about cookie booths and scheduling, stuff like that. And then when to pick up cookies and when to, oh Lord, it's a whole thing, you guys. I know. I honestly don't really want to do it, but I also don't want to have to teach somebody else how to do it. So because of that, I'm just going to keep doing it. It's easier than giving it up and having to train somebody else. You know what I mean? So I use the Happy Valentine's Day sticker kind of in the middle of that weekend, those 4 weekend boxes. And my husband usually has a conference in Kansas City, like the weekend after Thanksgiving, after Valentine's Day, or before Valentine's Day, depending on when it falls. And so I knew I wouldn't have a lot to write in those boxes because we usually take it as like a little weekend away for us. So that's why I put that there. And then I go through and I highlight using my mild liners and my color code system on the days when things are going on. And then I use my Uni Jetstream pen in the 0.5 to write in on top of my little highlighted areas things that are going on. And this works really well for me. Sometimes I feel like on the Tomoe River paper, the Uni Jetstream can smear a little bit if you don't dry it, if you use a mild liner over it, but not terrible. So that's why I just highlighted first and then wrote. Solved the whole problem. And then I'm putting in another little piece of decoration. It's Star with her little chocolate candy box saying hugs and unicorn kisses. I mean, you guys, I can't handle it. And that's the sticker booklet that I was talking about that has the different seasons and holidays and stuff in it. So I wanted to put in some more decoration. I kind of went a little nuts. So that's when I peeled that up and then put Luna in the little like teddy bear costume. Oh my god. I can't. Cartoon people in onesies. What is it? I can't. In animal onesies. It's a thing for me. I can't resist it, apparently. And then I just went crazy sticking in more decoration, which I hope I don't end up regretting because it's going to be a busy month. But in that way, I also wanted it to be fun to look at since I'm going to be busy and probably a little bit stressed out with cookie season. So I just at least wanted my planner to be cute. So hopefully at the time it doesn't overwhelm me. I'll check back regarding that later and tell you if I regret all the decoration. And then since I had that seasonal sticker pack out, I decided to flip back to January and December, which I had already decorated, and throw in more of the decorations. Because a lot of January, the first part, the kids are still going to be home from winter break, and a lot of their activities won't be going on, like karate and dance. So I just wanted to put more decoration up there because we'll probably be sticking around home, sledding if there's snow, doing that kind of thing. So more decoration. It's just what I love. And then the little snowman I thought was so cute. And I do try and keep in mind like the days that we're usually not super busy, and that's where I put kind of the decorations. But we'll see. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to regret putting in all this stuff, but I mean, quite honestly, I find it hard to believe that I would regret using the stickers. I mean, I would have to be pretty overwhelmed to not enjoy stickers. So I can't imagine that happening, but like I said, we'll check back in later. So this the extra deco, I think, matches that kit perfectly, which I think is so cool that she matched the things that she had sold at Michael's with things that you could buy on her website too. So it's like extra decoration. And then I flipped back to December as well, and I'm sticking in a lot more Christmas decorations because I love Christmas, and the kids are off for, the last 2 weeks of Christmas. And like I said before, a lot of things are canceled, they're not going on. So I just wanted to use a lot of pretty things because I don't have a lot of appointment-y type things to write in there except for work and stuff like that. I'm a nurse, so I'm still working during the holidays. But, times that my husband is off and things like that are basically the only things I'm putting in there. So I just barfed deco all over it, like candy canes and little ornament balls. They're so stinking cute, you guys. I can't handle it. And then I put the little holly sprigs next to some of the dates. And I had to use, of course, Luna in another animal onesie. She's a reindeer, and so she must find her way on there. And I thought it looked so cute underneath the Merry Christmas that I had put over Christmas. Ugh. These videos are just so much gushing. I hope that, well, I can't even say I hope that doesn't annoy you. I know it probably does, but just bear with me because it's so cute that I can't help it. And I really hope you guys stick with me. So here's the spreads for December, January, and February, and I'm really excited about it. And I'm probably going to go ahead and do March and April too, because that's when cookies will end, and hopefully things will slow down a little bit. So if you're new here, welcome. I'm really glad you're here. And tell me how you're planning and if you're planning on using stickers next year. Bye!